Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you're going to see how to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. So to do that, you can use several fixes for that, and let me show you them serially. The key steps to access Meta AI on WhatsApp are: first one is you have to check for your updates. Ensure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. So to check that, head over to your Play Store and search for WhatsApp, and if there is any update available, there will be an update button right here. So update it to the latest version and install it, and then open a chat. Go to a chat where you want to use Meta AI, and then tap add and select Meta AI in the message field. So from the suggestions, and ask your questions like a prompt in the chat. If you still can't access Meta AI, just check your regional availability. Sometimes, like in my region, Meta AI is not available yet because, and in some regions, your one might not be available too. So check the regional availability if the Meta AI is available. And then there's another one. You can always restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can solve temporary glitches. And the fourth one is clear cache. Clearing WhatsApp cache may help. Like, to cure that, just keep tapped on your WhatsApp application. Let me show you. Keep tapped on it, and there will be the option of information on the top right. And here you will find the option of mobile data. And here, just clear the cache file or cache memory. So yeah, this is how you can do it. And then there's another way. Reinstall WhatsApp. You can always uninstall and install your WhatsApp again. If all the methods fail, please try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. And if all these methods goes wrong and the issue persists, reach out to WhatsApp support for further assistance. So yeah, these are the ways with which you can fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.